I didn't get anything the first time. You guys mind filling those holes in and doing it again? Oh, all right. This is Anthony and Avery. They're working on my foundation, on my little add-on room.
We like digging holes. We always dig holes.
Yeah. Well, it's good to have work you enjoy. So, he's hand digging it out. And then in each they're putting 7, what do you call these, pillars?
Piers.
Piers.
Push piers.
Yeah, push piers. They're putting 7 push piers in here, right where it's been marked with blue tape. And then after they put them in the ground that far, they get them prepped. And then they're going to work on it, come back and push them on down to bedrock and get them under the foundation so the house doesn't fall out anymore. These are the different places that they've dug the holes, put the piers in. There's my gas. So my gas line goes right there. That's another spot. And then on through here. All right, and this is called, their business is called Foundation Recovery. Get a picture of that. And then we'll stop this and wait till they start pushing the piers on through.